Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Bounty Killer to receive the Generational Impact Guardian of the Culture Award. Now, the dancehall legend will be honored for his cultural influence and decades of community advocacy, as well as his long-standing commitment to uplifting disenfranchised communities and shaping Jamaica's musical legacy later this month. It's understood that the award will be presented during the Uplift the Community Benefit Concert scheduled for March 29 in Seaview Gardens as part of the Seaview Gardens Community Assistance Project. According to event organizer Dwight Hermit, the recognition reflects both Bounty Killer's musical impact and his real-world advocacy. In a statement, Hermit shared that Bounty Killer represents the spirit of the people. His music speaks truth, but more importantly, his actions have always reflected a commitment to uplifting the community. Sharon Marley unveils the first track of the year, Island. The track, which was released on Friday, brings together Sharon, her sister Cedella Marley, and former Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers member Rika Newell for a roots reggae celebration. The collaboration marks the second single from Sharon's forthcoming debut solo album, set for release on March 20. The collaboration bridges generations of the Marley legacy while allowing Sharon to step confidently into her own spotlight as a solo artist. The single also carries a deeper purpose. All streaming proceeds will be donated to Humanity Over Vanity, a Canadian-based charity providing emergency relief, housing support, and community services across Jamaica. Now, on the international scene, Meghan Markle and Netflix are no longer collaborating on her As Ever brand. The Duchess of Sussex and Netflix ended their partnership on the brand, which includes things like jams and teas. It was launched last year in collaboration with Netflix's consumer products division. The brand was heavily tied into her show, With Love, Meghan, which also ran on Netflix. Netflix says it was always intended that Markle would eventually take full control of the brand. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.